Watch this video until the end and listen to this important message.
Take your purse or wallet. Make sure it has some money. Now say these words while holding it. I bless this money and I know that I have the magic wallet of the Spirit, the one that can never be depleted. Whenever the money comes out of it, it is immediately refilled by the grace of the perfect paths. I see my wallet stuffed with money, bills of all denominations, checks, gold, silver, and coins. I see it filled with abundance. You can repeat the ritual whenever you want. But you must do it with faith for it to happen. The power is in your spoken word. Type "it is done" if you feel abundant.
Type "Amen" if you feel abundant. Watch this important message right now.